What if AI could grow your YouTube channel without you lifting a finger? I let two powerful tools take over, TubeMagic and ChatGPT. Here's what happened. First, I gave ChatGPT a prompt. Write a YouTube script to review an AI tool that boosts channels. It delivered a full script in seconds. Zero effort. Pretty impressive. Next, I used TubeMagic. This AI suggests high-ranking titles, tags, and descriptions instantly. It's like having a full SEO team, but smarter, faster, and 24/7. I combined both tools. ChatGPT wrote the script. TubeMagic optimized the video for search. I uploaded the video without showing my face. AI did all the work. 24 hours later, the video had more views than any of my others. TubeMagic even showed me what to post next. I didn't expect this much growth. If you're a faceless creator, this changes everything. Want to try it yourself? Link in the description for both tools. Let AI work for you. Subscribe for more AI-powered experiments. And let me know which AI tool should I test next.